Hello guys, did you know that you can exchange the steering wheel on the Vanagon T3 with a steering wheel from a Ulanzi T4? It's just a straightforward swap. So I'm going to do that today to see how that works. It's a little smaller, it's more like the South Africa van steering wheel in size. So to remove the wheel, you need to pop up this badge, and then you need a 24 millimeter socket and a long arm because it's really tight the first time. So, here you go. And it's a special nut with a big washer weld into it. And then it should be just a matter of, oh yes, that was easy. Looks like this on the back side. You have the horn ring, and the horn, yeah, that's a little hard to see here, but I will make a better picture later. So, then, we have the T4 steering wheel. The T4 steering wheel. I also has a Pioneer remote control. So this will, as I said, this is a straightforward swap. So you just need to make sure it's about centered, and then voila! Fantastic! That was really easy. Back with the nut. It's a good idea to make it go to lock and then. That was easy, huh? Okay, guys, back from Moot. The Moot guys says this steering wheel is not approved because the rubber is loose. You can see, you can twist it like this. And the guy did not like that, so I have to convert it back to the original one and then go back to Moot and, you know, change the back forth and back. But I found another guy with a Vanagon which has sent his loose rubber steering wheel to a company in Sweden, Street Performance. I have looked them up and I will now disassemble this wheel and send it to them for refurbishing and gluing, and hopefully it will look better than new. Let's get it packed in a box, paper box, and send it to Sweden and see how that goes. Guess what, guys? Today it has arrived. The new steering wheel from Street Performance in Sweden. Let's unbox it and see what they have done to it. This is exciting. Oh my goodness! Look at that! That is a piece of art. Perforate, yeah, leather with holes, and it's much thicker. What do you think, guys? Huh? Excellent. And I made them, let's see if I can show you this, the stitching to match the van on the outside. This light blue, like my van. Let me show you if you can show you this. Here we have it. Well, it's close enough to the color. Amazingly nice. And the good thing is, I have another T4 steering wheel, so we can compare them. Here we have the original one, which is made of plastic and it's very thin. The T4 stock wheel with the standard loose foam rubber on them. And then to the amazingly nice Swedish made Street Performance
wheel. Not loose anymore. Everything is stock. It's soft, make a real nice grip, and much thicker than the T4 one. Whoa, this is nice. And the stitching, it's a piece of art. Amazingly nice.
Okay, let's see. What a grip! Fantastic! You have to feel it to believe it. Feels like a Ferrari or Lamborghini. Fantastic! Oh, this should be nice to drive around in with. What of you?
Look at that grip. Fantastic.
You can't stop smiling. This is just amazing. I will provide links for it up here and down below, so you can click and check out the shop, Street Performance, and see if you like to fix your own steering wheel like this. I will say it's well worth the money. What a fantastic feeling. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.